already, man. You ready to start?
Ah, yeah. First of all, 1 by 2.
Yeah.
Alright, so like no rules at all, right?
Yeah, everything. Oh. Whoa, I just had a fat lag spike.
The only rule thing, like, no breaking down. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna break down at all. Alright, let's go.
Alright, good luck.
Go GG's. What the hell? God.
Ooh.
Fuck.
Oh! You're scaring
I thought I was
me.
dead right there, to be honest.
You're scaring me, man.
Okay, that was confusing as fuck. What the hell? Jeez. Jeez.
Bro.
Oh, I thought that was my wall. GG's. Damn. I gotta make sure to record this. I gotta keep clipping my stuff. Just in case my PlayStation wants to mess up. So I have to do it after everyone's won.
So what made you wanna grind for peak?
So I was doing it a while ago, but then I got grounded, so I stopped. And I just started grinding again because I made like 10 videos a while back, and then I stopped grinding because I got grounded for a month.
I mean, nothing much you can really do right now. All this quarantine stuff going on.
Yeah, so I guess now it's better.
Yeah.
And I usually try to get the best clips I can, so I don't upload like that often. I try to upload like once a week, but sometimes it's once every 2 weeks. And
quality over
I
quantity.
just start uploading clips on Twitter.
Yeah, that's what Owen was just talking about that yesterday at our peak team meeting about quality over quantity.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing lately.
Yeah. That's good though. That's really good for you.
Jesus fuck.
High quality content over like daily uploads and stuff.
Bruh.
Yep, GG's. I can't get high ground. This is game over.
Ooh, 200.
2-0.
God, yo, because I need some good controller settings. I'm trying to switch. Oh, we both missed
Oh,
that?
that would have been. Oh my fucking god. How did I miss that shit?
Oh, no. Oh, I'm leaving. I'm scared. That was.
If I should have hit that shot.
Or linear of it.
What'd you say, bro?
I said I switched my controller settings to linear.
Oh,
That was a nice shot.
alright. I missed that. Okay, my aim is dog shit right now. I'll put that on me.
You were just hitting everything. Ooh.
My aim was better in the warm-up.
30! No way! I hit you
missed.
for 30. No.
Okay, a controller, you literally have aimbot with a fucking AR. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
It's not as good on console because I tried a computer out and that shit was fucking insane, but still, aim assist is OP. Gotta nerf it.
Oh.
Set. I'm terrible. What the
Dear
heck?
God, chill. Crap.
Nah, I gotta win this one. Hold on, wait. Let me reload everything.
Oh.
I choked.
I'm dead. No.
Thank God. You said what about the first video?
Yeah. If you made peak, what would be the first thing you would do?
Oh, well, I'm really uncreative with my titles, so if I make peak, I'd probably announce it, and then after I announce it, I'd probably get all my clips together from like my old videos and put together a really good montage, and it would be like my video when I joined IQ a while back. It'd be like why I joined IQ, and then this is why this picked me up, and yeah, that's basically what it would be.
Yeah,
Because I'm not good with titles.
Yeah, me.
Not amazing, but I can come up with titles.
I used to make a lot of YouTube videos back when I was on console. I just like lost a lot of motivation. gonna start getting back into YouTube though, cause it was fun. It was really fun. You know, like having something to show off every now and then.
I have a book of titles actually because I like took an hour out of my day to make it.
Well, that's good.
And I don't know why my Alexa just turned on, but she did.
Let me out.
Oh, I thought I edited it fast enough. I forgot we had ARs. I should say aim by you.
Oh,
to be
no.
honest.
I hit that? What the?
Yeah, this map's like I'm hitting every shot on this map. I was not hitting shots. Didn't like that. That's all right. Jeez. Holy. I missed. Oh, my aim is terrible. Oh my god. That's fair. All right. Dang, I at least need to get 2 dubs. All right, that's what I'm going for. I'm going for 2 wins.
Yeah.
I'll be going for it, but I mean.
Crack.
Yeah, so I met like
That
the only
joint
reason I
hit.
started for Peak is because I met somebody named Ryuk, or he's a recruiter. I don't know how to say his name, but it's RYUK or something like that.
Right, yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, he's a cool dude.
Huh?
I said, yeah, he's a cool dude.
Yeah. He posted a tweet about him wanting to get a perm, and I was like, there's other ways to get curly hair than getting a perm. And I was talking to him in DMs, and I was like, perms don't really look that good, and they can really mess up your hair. So I was trying to give him tips on how to get curly hair without doing that, and yeah.
Well, that's nice of you, like, trying to help somebody out.
He's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I don't talk to him that much anymore, but I still add him in my posts when I make a video.
Yeah, I've seen one of your videos before. I forgot what song it was.
It was either my new. Okay, so I made like my 3 newest videos are Costa Rica, Falling, and
Yeah. That's what it was. That's the one. That's the one. You were wearing the skin that you have on right now, and it was it was like a
I'm listening.
creative clip. I forgot. Hold on. I'll show you after this.
I think my new video is my best video. Falling was pretty good, but it was made like 2 months ago, and Costa Rica was made in the same like week as Falling. So yeah. I don't know. I don't even really. I try to make YouTube videos, but it's just like nobody ever trying to play with me, and it sucks because like I'm trying to get these clips, and it's just like either I'm gonna get the most. Like I'm either gonna get no clips, or I'm gonna get like 1, or I'm gonna get like 100. And I'm like I try to get friends where I can just get like 1,000 clips a day, but they never trying to play with me. I'm like, bro, like.
Bro, let's get some clips after this, man.
I bet.
So down. We can go do some 2v2s. We can do whatever.
All right, cool.
Ooh.
I just totally. I didn't know not what's going on, bro. Holy. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
That's sweet. My birthday was this month on the 5th. Got a new
My birthday was this
keyboard.
month too. My birthday was on the 15th.
15th? Nice, bro.
Yeah.
March babies are the best babies. Promise.
Bro. I don't know why I just leveled up. Creative playtime. I thought I pre-flipped that. Bro, if I'm choking so bad. I'm stuck. I'm playing terrible, dog.
Oh, you're god.
Holy fuck.
Are you gonna restart? We can restart if you want to.
No, I'm coming. Yeah, I just turned 13 on the 15th.
Nice.
That's pretty cool.
Oh. Scared.
It sucks about quarantine though.
Oh! No.
Bro, if I die every year, dog, I'm losing my mind.
I can't get in your box. Oh my god.
You have that one too? Jesus. Alright, I just need to grab high ground and I can have aim, but that's good. Jeez. Alright, is that 5? Yeah, that's 5.
Yeah, I think that's 5, man.
Jeez, now let me clip this in there.
man. Yeah, that was a nice little series. I want to wish you the best of luck in your peak grind. I hope to see you on the team one day. And thanks for giving me this opportunity. Alright?
You said what? I didn't hear the last part.
You didn't hear anything I just said? You didn't hear.
No, I heard
You
most of it.
didn't
I heard
hear
that, like,
anything I just said.